Hi everyone, I am Deepa Thakur. Now we have understood the basic of pointers, but it is equally important us to understand application of pointers. In this presentation, we will try to understand one of the application of pointers, that is finding the largest and smallest element in an array using pointer. So let's get started. Before moving to actual program, let's try to understand the basic idea, finding the largest and smallest element in an array. Suppose we have this array which contain 4 elements 22, 48, 12, 99, and apart from this we have two variables. These two variables, mean and max. As the name suggests, mean contain a minimum value of this array and max will contain a maximum value of this array. Initially, I am initialize these two variables with the first element of the array, that is 22. And here is the pictorial representation. For these two variables, mean and max, which contained value 22. Now, for the purpose of finding the minimum and maximum value of this array, we need one for loop which goes from 1 to 3. I want my for loop to run from first index to third index, that is the last index of this array. Why I am starting from this index? Because I have already initialized the minimum and maximum variable with the first element of the array. I want to compare the rest of the element of this array with the first element initially. That is why I am starting from this element instead of starting from this element, because there is no point of comparing 22 with 22. Also, it is important to note that it is not actual program. I am writing this program in casual way. That is, instead of writing the for loop in the actual C syntax, I am just writing in a casual way. This for loop run from 1 to 3. We just want to understand the basic idea. So at this point, we should not focus on the syntax. In this for loop, we basically have two steps. First step, we will finding out the minimum value, and in second step, we will find out the maximum value. Here we are trying to compare these elements with the minimum value. If we find out this element is lesser than the minimum value, then definitely this element is the minimum possible element. Therefore 48 is the minimum element in this elements. Otherwise, in this element is greater than the maximum element, then definitely this element is the maximum element. Therefore, we will put this element in max variable. We can see here that 48 is greater than 22. Therefore, the new max value is 48. So, we can replace this 22 by 48. 48 in this max variable. Now, let's compare this element with the new min max elements. As 12 is less than 22, therefore new minimum element will be 12, not 22. Hence we can replace 22 by 12. Now in the third iteration of the for loop, we simply compare 99 with new minimum and new maximum element. 99. 99 is not less than 12, but 99 is greater than 48, right? We can say that the new max element is 99. Hence, we can replace this 48 by 99. At the end of this for loop, we are obtained our new minimum and new maximum element, that is 12 and 99 respectively. So this is the basic idea of finding the minimum and maximum element of an array. But here we can observe that we have not used any pointer at all. In the actual program, we will going to use the pointer, and let's see how we can find the minimum and maximum element using pointer. Let's try code now. Inside, in main function, we can see that we have array. We have array which contain of this many values, and we have these two variables, min and max, which we take care of this minimum and maximum element of the array. And with the help of this length variable, we are basically trying to calculate the length of the array using this size of whole array is divided by size of first element of the array, and we are calling this min max function also, in which we are passing the whole array, the length of the array, and the address of minimum variable, maximum variable. And here in this min max function, we are receiving the whole array, the length of the array, and we receiving the addresses of min variable and max variable in this pointer. With the help of this min max function, we are trying to calculate the minimum and maximum element of the array. And the logic we are understood, the min max element of the array is given over here. Here, instead of dealing with the actual variable, we are dealing with the pointers. But why we are doing this? We can see that actual declaration of this variable min max inside this main function, we are trying to make changes. Min and max variable outside of this function. In this function, so we can simply pass the copy of this variable to this function and make changes of this function. Then we cannot reflect to this variable because we are passing the copies. That's why that is what we call by value. But we want the change that we make to this variable outside of this function. We can reflect back to this function. Again, that's why we passing the address. Of this variable instead of value. Here is the need for dealing with pointers. If you want to make the change reflected back to this variable in this function, here we should understand that we cannot return to this variable of this function at the time. It is not possible to return two or more than two variables from these functions. That's why we are trying to help of pointers. We cannot return min or max variable at the time of this function. That is why with the help of this pointer, we are making changes the actual variable outside of this function. Here is one important point to understand. Here we can dealing with the pointers. Therefore, we cannot simply write mean equals to max equals to array 0. We first have to dereference the pointer so that we can simply go to the actual location and then make changes to that. Here also we have, after dereferences the pointer first and then compare them to actual value. Now in simple word, basically in this function we are making changes to the original variable only, because here we are passing the address of the variable of this to this function and make changes to this address. Therefore, it will automatically reflect back to this variable and then we can print them on screen. Now let's execute the program. So while we are executing the program, the minimum value in the array is 1 and the maximum value is 999. Therefore, this program is working fine. I hope you understood now. Program to find out the largest and smallest element in an array using pointer. If you have any queries, question, please write below in the comment section. I will answer them. If you like the video, please click on like button and share the video with your friends. For other topics, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon so you get notification whenever I upload my new video. Thank you guys for watching my video. Have a good day.